Hi, I'm Dave from Top10.com Reviews. We're here to help make decisions easier. We spend hours reviewing products and services and comparing features so you don't have to. Our goal is to bring you the 10 best options every time. Let's talk about Vitagene. Vitagene is making waves with its DNA test kits. Utilizing the wellspring of information hidden in your genetic coding, Vitagene is enlightening people as to their health's weak points, strengths, and patterns. Armed with this information, Vitagene then delivers the ideal diet, workout, and supplement program for living the healthiest, fullest life for you. You can also see where your DNA comes from on a regional ancestry map. Vitagene stands out for its emphasis on health screening, preventative, and general health and wellness care. The DNA test kits test for things like food sensitivities, predispositions to health conditions, and muscle tone responses. This test is ideal for creating a personalized diet and exercise program for peak health. Applause for Vitagene's choice of collection methods. Just a simple cheek swab is all it takes to get your DNA tested. Swipe on the inside of your mouth, put the swab into the tube provided for you, and mail it back for your test results. Vitagene keeps its pricing in the reasonable range. At $79 per kit, you can find out so much about yourself and the detailed story your DNA has to tell about you. The price includes all reports, including ancestry, diet, exercise, and supplement reports, and free shipping on 2 or more kits. Vitagene delivers results quickly. You can have your report in as little as 3 weeks after it's received by the lab. However, it can take up to 22 business days for them to receive this sample, and up to 6 weeks to receive your results. Bad news. Vitagene does not publish any information on the size or variation of its DNA database. The company does talk a lot about the fact that it derives oodles of information from your genetic makeup. It just doesn't tell us how. In addition to your DNA test results, Vitagene provides each customer with a detailed fitness program that's optimized for your specific health needs. You'll also get a report about which vitamins you're missing, foods you're sensitive to, and eating habits you've acquired. Knowing what's missing is the first step. Vitagene takes you to the next step by providing you with personalized coaching and daily supplements to boost your vitamin intake. You can buy the Vitality Bundle, which includes the DNA test kit, vitamins, and the coaching all in one. Here's where Vitagene slightly falls short. The DNA test kit is specifically geared towards health and wellness screening. That means there's no information about your paternal or maternal lineage. No Y-DNA or mtDNA test results whatsoever. If you're looking for health info though, this is a great option. Vitagene offers customer support via email. You can also look through the detailed help center to get more information about how the product works, what to expect from the kit, time frames, and how to utilize the reports you're sent. Vitagene doesn't fill you with confidence when it comes to the privacy of your information. Basically, unless you opt out, your private details may be shared with a whole slew of third parties. There is the option to opt out though, so if you care, select this one. Vitagene is shifting the focus of DNA testing from the past to the present and the future. Knowing your genetic dispositions, personal traits, and ancestral trails allows you to better understand what kind of diet, exercise, and vitamin intake is most beneficial for you. I hope this video helped you decide whether Vitagene is the right DNA testing kit for your needs. For an in-depth look into hundreds of other products and services, make sure to check out Top10.com's extensive collection of reviews.